Meanwhile, the Supreme Court, in a 4-1 majority decision, has ruled that the High Court has no jurisdiction to try the case on the eligibility of the candidature of Dr. Zanetor Rawlings as parliamentary nominee for the Klote constituency.
Both parties will now appear before the Apex Court, which has taken over the case as it has the sole mandate to interpret constitutional provisions.
Dr. Zanetor Rawlings and her lawyers challenged the capacity of an Accra High Court to hear the suit challenging her eligibility. Dr. Zanetor Rawlings was seeking an order of prohibition directed at the trial judge Kwaku Akabuafo from further hearing the case. According to her suit, the trial judge erred in law when he assumed the role to interpret Article 94, Clause 1A of the 1992 Constitution. Her lawyers insisted the interpretation of the Constitution was the mandate of the Supreme Court and not that of the High Court per the matter in contention. According to the ruling of the Supreme Court, the trial judge Kwaku Akabuafo erred in deciding on the case, a matter of constitutional interpretation, which is the function of the Supreme Court. The panel of 5 chaired by Justice William Atuguba indicated it will carry out its duties by interpreting the constitutional provision. The Apex Court has therefore ordered the parties to file their submissions simultaneously in 2 weeks. Counsel for Dr. Zanetor Rawlings Godwin Tamaklo said the Supreme Court has given his client more than she deserves.
For us, it has always been our contention, and that is why the court today quashed the 2 rulings, first dated 22nd February 2016 and the 22nd day of March 2016. The 2 rulings today ceases to be law as far as the law books of our republic are concerned, and we are exceedingly pleased with that the decision today.
Incumbent Member of Parliament of Klote constituency, Niama Ashite, is challenging the eligibility of the candidature of Dr. Zanetor Rawlings as the parliamentary nominee for the constituency. He is seeking an order to prohibit her from holding herself as such because she was not a registered voter at the time of her election at the party's parliamentary primaries.